We're making ragu alla bolognese. Good damn. Cut off the ends and peel a medium-sized onion. For fine cut, start with half an onion, make thin incomplete slices, turn that in 90 degrees. Now make thin and complete slices. Place that into a bowl and let's talk carrots. Cut that by half, the half into quarters and the quarters into eighths. Make a 90-degree turn and finally chop. Place them into a bowl and set aside. It's not an Italian dish without olive oil. Add 3 tablespoons into a pan and give it a swirl. Let it come up to heat. Add in the onions and carrots. Let them saute and get pretty colored. Make a circle in the middle of the pan, throw in the minced beef, and spread it out evenly for maximum contact onto the pan. We want as much crust as possible. This will take about 4 to 5 minutes. Hence our sponsor, me. I look forward to sharing more new dishes/videos and us learning together as a family. Your subscription will definitely help out a ton. Mix them together and let them get to know each other. Add 4 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 can of crushed tomatoes. Tomatoes are less traditional from the ragu, hence alla bolognese. 200 ml of cider beer, again not traditional. Season with a 1/4 teaspoon of crushed pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili flakes, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Stir and add 3 cans of water, or 1 can now and the other 2 later, as I did, which is totally unnecessary. I should have done the 3 cans together. Add a tablespoon of magic powder and bring to a boil. And here I threw in the other 2 cups of water, then let it boil for at least 2 hours. Once most of the liquid has evaporated, add 1 cup of whole milk and let that simmer under very low heat. Not constant boiling, but a simmer. Grate an 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg and continue with the simmer. And now let's talk pasta. I went for the cannelloni pasta. My intention was for the sauce to get lodged into the tunnel-like crevices. Bring a pot of water to a boil, add a tablespoon of ocean flavoring, then add in the pasta. Yeah, my water proved to be insufficient, so I topped up with more boiling water. Cook to 80% doneness, then fish them out, retaining some of the pasta water. At this point, the ragu is perfect. Add in the pasta and toss that together. Add in a few tablespoons of the pasta water and combine. While tossing is more effective. Let them go for about a minute or 2, then serve immediately. Portions really matter in this. So a few layered scoops of the pasta and the ragu. Then grate some cheese onto the top, and bon appetit. I had to take some thumbnail shots, so my presentation kinda went off the window. The pasta is still firm and not floppy. Also held in the sauce as expected. Overall, it's a boss in flavor. So if you found value in this video, or generally just love the sight of food, drop a fat like and spank that subscribe button, or I'll be spanking you.